Deep in the heart of West Java, hidden between green hills and timeless plains, lies an ancient place beyond memory. Gunung Padang, a megalithic site that has stood for thousands of years. It's mysterious, marvelous, glorified, not only for its structure, but for the stories it holds, stories of people, cultures, and life. But behind the beauty of the stone and legend, there's a quiet struggle often unseen. Many of local residents who live with high blood pressure, a silent condition that affects their heart but often goes unnoticed, undiagnosed, and untreated. Awareness about cardiovascular health remains low. Access to tools, information, and preventive care still limited. So, we ask ourselves, what if history met health? And what if ancient wisdom could coexist with modern awareness? And what if a sacred site could become a gateway to self-care? That's how Heart to Heart was born. Hi, I'm Vanessa Nathania, a medical student and someone who believes that culture is not just something to preserve, but something we can live in, grow with, and care through. Through the Gunung Padang project, I want to create something that doesn't just speak to histories, but listen to the heartbeat of the present. Heart to Heart is a simple yet meaningful digital platform. Here, visitors, local, and researchers can learn about the histories of Gunung Padang, explore the unique sound of traditional gardening instruments, access easy to understand health information, do a basic cardiovascular risk check, and even calculate their daily calorie needs. Because health starts with awareness, and awareness begins with access. Gunung Padang is more than stone staked in mystery. It's a living site. So why shouldn't our effort to preserve it also protect the life around it? This project is not just about one field. It's about what happened when technology, health, history, and creativity intersect. When they meet, they don't just inform, they transform. We're proud to bring this vision to life. From the place built in stone, we've built a platform that speaks with heart. From Gunung Padang to the world, let's remember the past, respect the present, and care for the future. Together, heart to heart.